ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 3, Exercise 3A, Question number 11. A man has 300 rupees 50 shares of a company paying 20% dividend. Find his net income after paying 3% income tax. Answer 11. Face value of each share equal to rupees 50. The face value of 300 shares is equal to 300 into 50 is equal to 15,000. Income or dividend equal to 20% of the face value equal to 20% of rupees 15,000 equal to 20 by 100 of rupees 15,000 equal to rupees 3,000. Income tax is equal to 3% of rupees 3,000 equal to 3 by 100 into 3,000 equal to rupees 90. Net income is equal to 3,000 minus rupees 90 equal to rupees 29,910. Answer. Question 12. A company pays a dividend of 15% on its 10 rupees shares from which it deducts income tax at the rate of 22%. Find the annual income of a man who owns 1,000 shares of the company. Answer 12. The face value of each share equal to rupees 10. The face value of 1,000 shares is equal to rupees 10 into 1,000 is equal to rupees 10,000. Annual income or dividend equal to 15% of its face value equal to 15 by 100 into rupees 10,000 equal to rupees 1,500. Income tax is equal to 22% of rupees 1,500 equal to 22 by 100 of rupees 1,500 equal to rupees 330. Net income equal to rupees 1,500 minus rupees 330 equal to rupees 1,170. That's all.